Listen, you're just aging yourself. You're calling yourself antiquated, and you need to shut up, get over it, embrace it, accept it. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. It's going to be easy to find, and people freaking love it. And so, I'm sorry. That's just the way it is.
What do you have on our list, buddy?
Oh, man, that just threw me off. Let's go over to TikTok, my friend. There's a couple of TikToks in the news again with a couple of different headlines. One of them being about the TV. They're making TikTok more accessible on TV. So we all know about YouTube's the future of television, and we have all these different apps like Hulu and all these different places that we can watch TV now. And we were just talking about this at a family event yesterday about how, I'm one of the old school people who still actually has cable television just because I'm too lazy to learn how to use all this other stuff. And it's just easier. And it never goes, it's more reliable than internet feeds. But
you're
TikTok,
starting an argument with nobody here. Come on.
Sorry. So TikTok TV is an app now, which really the main point of us even bringing this up is more the relevance that, listen, you can fight it until you're blue in the face. If you're still one of those people that says, I'm resisting, listen, you're just aging yourself. You're calling yourself antiquated, and you need to shut up, get over it, embrace it, accept it. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. It's going to be easy to find, and people freaking love it. And so, I'm sorry. It's just the way it is.
I love it, dude. I love it.
That's all I have on that. Tristan, the other article I thought that was really cool, and then again, another cool link we're sharing is TikTok shares insights into some of the top brand creator partnerships on the platform in 2021. And there's actually a website you can go to, and it breaks it down. It's like best in class, an A to Z guide on how to TikTok. There's just a lot of really cool stuff on this website. So if you are interested in the platform and how to use it for your business, this is the kind of stuff that I tell you what, man, when over the years did Facebook and Instagram create these kind of awesome, TikTok creates so much stuff to show us how to do it right. It's just so impressive, man.
I think it's great. And by the way, I mentioned TikTok teaming up with TikTok creators. The website is creatormarketplace.tiktok.com. So that's by TikTok. You can take a look at that. That's what Jeff's talking about right there. Like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, they all had the opportunity to do this because they've been around for a while. But the one that did it was TikTok. And we all know how Facebook and Instagram feel about giving the creator any money, right? Terrible.
Yes.
But YouTube, on the other hand, they're on it. YouTube, that's why I love YouTube and TikTok. They're just becoming more and more my favorite.